Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here with a remaining exercise from chapter number 6, numbers up to 50. So students, in our previous video what we had discussed about making 10, the 20s, the 30s and the 40s. Now in this video we will discuss about 50 and comparing numbers. So let's get started. So students, open page number 80. 50. So students, in 50 there are 4 tens and 10 ones. So when we take together 4 tens and 10 ones, we get 5 tens. It means 5 tens equals to 50. 50 comes just after 49. Now question number D, match with the numbers. So students, here at left side numbers name is given and at right side tens and one form of a number is given. So here you should match the numbers name and the form of tens and ones with a number. So let's do it. First number is 22. So students, here this is already done here. 22 is written as 2 tens and 2 ones. Now next one is 49. So you have to match the number name 49 with number 49. So in 49 there are 4 tens and 9 ones, that is here. So you have to match like this. Now next one is 36. So 36 is below the 49 and 36 is written as 3 tens and 6 ones. Now 47. 47 is at the top and 47 is written as 4 tens and 7 ones. Now 29. 29 is at the bottom and 29 is written as 2 tens and 9 ones. Now at last, which number is remaining? Yes, 30. So here 30 and we can write 30 as 3 tens. Okay. So question number D is completed now. Now let's come to the question number E, how many count. So students, here we have to count and write the numbers in given space. First is already done for you. 2 packets of 10 crayons each and 6 loose ones. So students, here there are 2 packets of crayons and in each packets there are 10 crayons and 6 are loose ones. So students, when we take together 20 and 6, we get the number 26 and in 26 there is 2 tens and 6 ones. Now 3 baskets of 10 mangoes each and 3 loose ones. So students, here 3 baskets of 10 mangoes and there are 9 loose ones. So the number will be 39. At tens place you have to write 3 and at ones place you have to write 9. Number will be 39. Okay. Now students, third, 4 bundles of 10 pencils each and 3 loose ones. So students, in 4 bundle there are 10 pencils, it means 40 and 3 loose one. So 40 plus 3 equals to 43. 4 at tens place and 3 at ones place. Number is 43. So you have to write here 43. Now let's come to the question number F. Write the number after, between and before. So students, you know very well about the number after, between and before. So the number that comes after, you have to write here which number comes after 37. Yes, 38. Here which number comes after 28? 29. After 49? 50. Now students, 11 is between 10 and 12. 20 is between 19 and 21. 26 is between 25 and 27. Now 19 is before then 20. 40 before 41. 4 before 5. Now students, let's come to the question number G. Write the numbers shown on the abacus. So students, here you have to count the beads on the abacus and you have to write the number that abacus show. So first one is already done for you. There are 5 beads at ones place. So at ones place you have to fill 5. And 3 beads at tens place. So here you have to write 3. Now in second, at ones place there is 2 beads. So you have to write here 2. And at tens place there is also 2 beads. So here you have to also write 2. So it means the number that this abacus show is 22. Now next, here at ones place there is 9 beads and at tens place there is 4 beads. It means the abacus show the number 49. Now in fourth, at ones place there is nothing. So nothing means 0. At tens place there is 5 beads. So here you have to write 5. It means the abacus show the number 50. Comparing numbers. So students, let's come to our next topic, that is comparing numbers. So students, in our previous chapter we had discussed in detail about the topic comparing numbers, and there I explained you how to compare the numbers. Now here new rules to compare numbers are given. So let's discuss about it. My sister is 9 years old. My cousin is 11 years old. Who is older? Count and write the answer. So students, here my sister's age is 9 years old and my cousin's age is 11 years old. So students, who is older? Yes, my cousin is older than my sister because 11 is greater than 9. So when we compare the number 11 and 9, we get that 11 is greater than 9. So here, who is older? Yes, my cousin is older than my sister. Now students, a 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. If there are 2-digit numbers, compare the digit in the tens place to know which is greater. So students, if 2 numbers are given, then you have to know which one is greater. For this, first of all, you have to compare the digits in the tens place to know which one is greater. So students, look here. If there is two numbers, first one 43 and the second one is 32, students, to know which one is greater, first of all you have to look at the tens place of both number. So here in 43, 4 is at tens place, and in 32, 3 is at tens place. So students, 4 is greater than 3. So 43 is greater than 32. So students, you can write 43 greater than 32 like this. Okay. So this was how to compare the two digit numbers. Okay. I hope you understood this topic very well by the help of this video. Now keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling. Thank you students. Bye and take care.